How to have tags both side on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show you the two way that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So first way, we can use the tab stop. Okay, so for the okay, for first way we need to use that ruler option. So if you don't have the ruler visible here, just go to the view and make sure it is show. Okay, so just click on it, that will be show. Then you can adjust your margin, right margin or left margin. This is your right margin, and you can also adjust your bottom and top margin. Okay, so for that we need to use the tab stop. Okay, just go to the right click on that ruler and first use left tab stop. Okay, and you can see that blue tab stop has been visible. Just click on it and drag to your left side, and here just hit the tab, then tab will be stop here at the same place, and just write your text here. Okay, now you can just right click again here and go to the right tab stop, and this tab stop will be visible here. Just drag at your desired place. Now just click the tab button, then this tab will be stop here at right place, and now you can write your text. Okay, so you can also select the text and adjust the place as per your requirement. So this is useful for if you are using the only one line or one title. It will be used for only one title, but if you're using the paragraph and you want the paragraph side by side, then I will show you the another way. For that we need to first remove this tab stop. Just click it and just drag the left and right, it will be remove. Okay, so now for text paragraph we can use that table. Just go to the insert and go to the table, and here you can see this table virtual. You can see, you can select the your required tab, table, column, or row. So I just get the 3 column and 2 row. Sorry, I just get again, I need only 2 column. Okay, just let me take the 3 columns, so it will be very professional. Okay, so now just click on into the first row and just write your text. Okay, like this, and same you can write the text on the third column. Now what you need to do, just select the table like this, just click the first column and select the text like this. Now go to this 3 dot option, which is more. Now go to this border width and select the 0 pt. Then your text, your table line will be invisible. It is table, but it is invisible table, so it is look like you are inserting text side by side. Okay, you can adjust the size like this. Okay, so just click this line and just select, adjust your table line. After that you can select the all table like this and go to the more and make it 0 pt. Or another option you can use, go more and make sure that you select the same color which you have background color. So in my case I have by default white color, so I just select the white color. So you can see the table has been disabled, sorry, invisible, and the text look like side by side. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.